All right, so it finally happened. It snowed. I've been waiting almost all year for this. I want to see how my rear-wheel drive Kia Stinger does in the snow. So it's not much snow, but we'll give it a chance here. So come along with me. All right, so I wiped off all the snow. Let's see how this does. Just to give you guys a background on what's happening right now is it just started to snow about maybe 2 hours ago. It's wet snow. I have my traction control on, and I also have brand new tires on for the rear of my car. So we'll see how this goes and go from here. I am going 20 miles an hour. You know, when it's snowing, you don't want to go crazy fast because it's not about how fast you actually can go in the snow, it's about braking. So you want to be at a very low speed in the event that you need to brake for some reason. So as you can see, the road it's not fully covered, but it does have enough snow on it where it can get you a little squirrely if you want to. So as of right now, no fishtailing. I'm very excited to find a parking lot to do some fun things. So we shall see how this goes. But it's a winter wonderland right now. Just a few days shy of springtime that usually happens here in Maryland. So, all right. From a standstill, it did lose some grip trying to go, but nothing to really write home about. I just saw a Kia K5 go by. So I'm going on this road. It's not really plowed. What I'll do is I'll get in this lane and make my own tracks. It's doing really well. I mean, it's staying straight. I'm not losing any grip. I'm keeping constant power to the wheels. Here we are going up a slight little hill, gaining some traction from this car in front of me. So far, so good. I'm gonna do hard brake. I'm sliding. In other cars, I've felt like I've been out of control doing a slide like that. Here we have a guy on the street. What up, big dog? So I've been out for about 30 minutes. Honestly, I think this car really performed well under different conditions with traction control on, traction control off. They both were competitive with each other. However, I would definitely say keep traction control on, especially when you're trying to speed up at times, okay? With traction control off, that's when you get squirrely. I mean, it's really no big deal when you do get squirrely, as long as you know how to counter it. What you would have to worry about is if you cut your front wheels too quick, and that's where you slide. So the Kia Stinger rear-wheel drive does a great job in the snow, given its limitations. You know, if it's more than 3 inches, I would imagine it being a little bit tougher to get around. I'm currently driving in 2 to 3 inches right now. That's what she said. And it's stupid. But yeah, so you are kind of limited in that sense if you have the rear wheel drive. I know some of my buddies with the all-wheel drive, they have no problem in the snow. I mean, some even consider the all-wheel drive system to be as competitive, if not more competitive, than the Audi Quattro drivetrain. this car impresses me so much. I can't, you know, people in the comments sometimes on some of my videos, they're like, oh, you know, stop talking about how Kia impresses you. It's you know, it's 2022 now, blah blah blah. I'm like, listen, man, you don't know until you have a Kia, and considering where it came from, it's like, dang, man, like, you guys really stepped up your game. So that marks the end of this video. I hope you guys found it useful for how the rear-wheel drive Kia Stinger performs in the snow. Please continue to support my channel by liking my videos, subscribing to my channel. Please leave comments on the bottom of the videos as well, because I would like to know what you guys would want to see out of my future videos. I do plan on having some videos about the modifications I have on my car, and why I got them, why I'm not getting certain modifications. It's all a personal preference, so just please drop a comment, hit that like button, and let's see where this goes. Thanks for watching.